Meaning of insensitive.
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 Insensitive. The term insensitive refers to the lack of sensitivity or consideration for the feelings, needs, and experiences of others. It can describe a person who is thoughtless or indifferent towards the emotions and hardships of others, or a situation that does not take into account the potential impact on those involved. Being insensitive can lead to conflicts, misunderstandings, and hurtful behavior towards others. It is important to be aware of our own actions and words, and to strive to be more sensitive and empathetic towards those around us.